Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds fake, but it's 100% true. Watch till the end. There was a 12-year-old girl in 1811 who pulled a giant sea monster skull out of a cliff in England. Not a painting, not a fossil fragment. A full skull from a creature that had been dead for millions of years. Her name was Mary Anning. She was poor, self-taught, and she kept going back to those cliffs in Dorset and kept finding things no scientist had ever seen. The first complete ichthyosaur. The first plesiosaur ever discovered. Creatures that rewrote everything we thought we knew about prehistoric life. The Geological Society of London used her discoveries constantly. They never let her through the front door. Scientists built entire careers on fossils she dug up with her own hands. Her name just never made it into their papers. And the one time history did remember her, it turned her into a tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. She died at 47. The cliffs remembered her. The world just chose not to.